How to make the text morph transition. Today's video is sponsored by Shredder. Go to the Titles menu, and bring a title plus to your timeline. Write down the text that you want, choose the font, and adjust the size. I will not waste your time with basic stuff. Once you are ready, add your second text. Go to the video transitions, and add a fusion cross dissolve between your text. Right-click to the transition, and select to open it in Fusion page. Double-click to the transition node, select the dissolve, and go to the Modifiers tab. Change the curve to easing, and set the in and out to sine. Bring a displace node to your flow. Add a fast noise, drag it to the left viewer, and connect it to the displace. Change the contrast to 3, the scale value to 10, and the seethe rate to 0.15. Select the displace node, right-click to the refraction strength, and select Modify with Anim Curves. Go to the Modifiers tab, change the curve to easing, set the in and out to sine, and check the mirror box. Reduce the scale value to 0.3. Add a blur node, change the filter to Gaussian, right-click to the blur size, and select Modify with Anim Curves. Go to the Modifiers tab, change the curve to easing, set the in and out to sine, and check the mirror box. Set the scale value to 42. This is the part where all the magic is happening. Add a brightness and contrast node, activate the alpha channel also, increase the gain to maximum, decrease the lift to minimum, and set the gamma slightly above 0. You can always go back and adjust some of the settings to get a different result. Those values are not absolute, they are just a good starting point. For those who are supporting this channel with beers, I've made a preset and already sent it to you. Just drag and drop it between your text, and adjust the strength and the width of it, right in the edit page. If you liked this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, I can do nothing about it.